Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update PocketGuard goals with recurring budget reminders step by step clearly. Open the PocketGuard app on your device. Log into your account if prompted. Navigate to the Goals section from the main dashboard. You will see a list of your current financial goals. Select the goal you want to update. Tap on the Edit button or icon associated with that goal. Adjust the goal amount as needed by entering the new figure. Scroll to find the Recurring Budget Reminder option. Enable this feature if it is not already activated. Set the frequency of the reminders, such as weekly or monthly. Enter the amount you want to allocate with each reminder. Review the settings to ensure everything is correct. Tap Save to confirm your changes. You will receive a notification confirming that your goal has been updated. Check back in the Goals section to view the updated details. Your recurring budget reminders are now set up for your selected goal. You can repeat this process for any other goals you'd like to update. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.